And I was like, why are you so obsessed with me?
Yeah, alright. I want to say welcome to this channel where you will be learning everything that has to do with improving your forex skill and learning forex as a beginner. Okay. Alright, we're getting into this, and you have to. We're going to be looking today at analyzing the forex market. Now, this is a key to a profitable trading, and this is very important. A key to profitable trading. You've been trading, you've not been profitable, or are you a beginner? You intend to go into the trading, want to start trading forex, and these are the things you need to know. Okay, so analyzing the forex market, a key to a profitable trading. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me, and I'll give you continuous updates on forex. I trade the market daily. I trade the market whenever I see opportunity. It might not be daily, but I provide suitable signals for people who trade. As I trade, people follow, they make profit as I make profit. I'll show you some of my trading on this channel, and you can just let's go. Now, analyzing the forex market. Now, analyzing the forex market can be complex as it involves evaluating various factors that influence currency prices. And here are some essential steps and techniques to help you analyze the forex effectively. So I'm going to be showing you some of these techniques that can help you. Now, the first one, which is factor, is economic indicators. Economic indicators. Now, keep an eye on economic indicators such as GDP growth, unemployment rate, inflation, and interest rate of major countries. These indicators can significantly impact currency valuations. And this is one. Now, the economy of a country, such as the US, for example, can affect the pattern, the way by which a currency is valued, and it can either cause a bull market or cause a bearish market. Okay, so keep an eye on economic indicators such as the GDP growth, the unemployment rate, inflation, and interest rates of major countries, and those major countries are the major currencies, such as the currency that are AUD, USD, JPY, GBP, EUR. All these are major currencies. They are from major countries. You pay attention to those indicators, you pay attention to those countries, you pay attention to them, and you can actually determine how you're going to trade effectively and successfully. So you have to understand that. So that's important. Now, moving ahead. Now, another thing again you should pay attention to is news and events. News and events. You know, as a new trader, when I start trading about 3 years ago, I never pay attention to this part of my trading. Majorly, I use technical analysis, and I found it hard to be profitable in this way. But by the time I start paying attention to news and events, you know, making use of my mental strategy, um, show me the pattern and what to do concerning me following news and events, and where to go and how to go about it. So with this, stay update with global economy and political news as they can create volatility in the forex market. Pay attention to central bank announcements, geopolitical events, and major economic release. Now, these are very important. Now, the next part is technical analysis. You must be able to do what we call technical analysis. And this part is an interesting one where you make use of some certain indicators. Now, me in my group, I give out indicators to people, to some of my students, to help them in their tradings, and my indicators makes them to be profitable. So this indicator I use for technical analysis, it determines, shows you that the market is going to be going up, the market is going to be coming down, and it helps you to actually determine the direction of the market. And that is what the technical analysis is all about. So you utilize charts and technical indicators to identify trends, support and resistance levels, okay, and other patterns that is on the chart. Okay, so popular technical indicators include the moving average, the MACD, the RSI, and the Bollinger Bands. All these indicators are very useful, and different people know how to use one indicator more than the other. An indicator can actually, and even though it can't give you 100% profitability, but it can give you a certain percentage of profitability in your trading. And that is one thing that you should understand, and you should try as much as possible to use indicators and learn how to use the correct indicators. And I can actually give you some indicators for free. If you can DM me, message me, call me, I will do that for you, and that is not difficult at all. Okay, okay, so all right, now the next thing we are looking at right now is fundamental analysis. I've seen mentors and trainers and coaches in the forex industry that are basically with fundamental analysis. That is what they use for their tradings, and they are superb. Not too good in this area of fundamental analysis for me, for it takes a whole lot of work, and you can, as a fundamental analysis trader, you spend actually more time analyzing markets and looking at different parameters. So analyze the long-term factor influencing a currency value, such as economic stability, trade balance, fiscal policy of respective countries. And this is what, when you're able to understand these, it makes you to determine that the angle or the pattern which the market is going to be going, whether it's going to be bull or it's going to be bear. You can be able to determine using fundamental analysis, and you incorporate other strategies. Okay, so moving forward, now another part which is very, very important is sentiment analysis. Now, Monitor market sentiment through tools like commitment of traders, that COT reports, which shows the positions and the institution traders. Extremely sentiment can signal potential reversal. And what that does is that, sentiment has to do with the way people make their decisions and what they are actually doing right now in the market, what they are doing with a particular trade, or how many people are actually on bull, or how many people are actually buying or selling a particular currency or instrument. And these can help you to actually determine the direction of the market, and that is what sentiment analysis is all about. Know about this, and you are sure to go that you are on a path to understand and to improve your trading career. All right, so that's that. Now the next one, which is I think is very very much important as well, is risk management. Risk management. Risk management. Always implement proper risk management strategy, like setting stop loss, taking profit level. This ensure you to protect your capital and limit potential losses. Okay, and this is very very important. Sometimes you have to take away greed, you have to have a plan, you have to have strategy for yourself, so that you won't allow your 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 personality to actually affect your trading. And I can actually teach you this, has to do with risk management, so that you can be able to trade in a way that you really really love. All right, so this is the most important takeaway that everyone has to remember, and that is, you must be able to take care that you do not risk. Okay, risk management, it is very very important in your trading, and this is a takeaway that I want you to take away. No matter how you trade, you must prepare. Even when you are very sure, do not flout your risk management rule. You must be able to take proper care, so that you don't get caught off guard. You might think a market is going to be bull, and the next minute goes bear, just to come and take away either your stop loss. It happens like that sometimes. But when you put proper risk management in place, and you are not risking too much of your equity, and you go into a trade, you are sound psychologically, you are sound, and you knowing that your trade, you are in for it. And whether you lost or lose, whether you lose or you profit, you know that your trade, you are in for it. Okay, and this can actually help you. One, as long as you have a strategy continually, your strategy will always give you the profit. I think that is the best thing, to have a very good strategy. My strategy can be different from yours. I meet several people over the year, they trade in a particular way. I've tried to copy their trading, but it doesn't work for me. But I have developed my own strategy of playing, of trading. And when I use my strategy, I am more profitable. I can have about a ratio of 10 to 1 win ratio. I can only lose maybe a trade out of 10 trade, meaning I win 9, I profit all the way. And it has been consistent like that, and the profit keep on coming. And that is the beauty of risk management and having a very good strategy. So that's the takeaway I want you to know. Thank you very much for this, for being here. Subscribe to this channel. I always give you updates. I always get you informed concerning trading. And just know I'm here for you. You want to learn more, please send me an email, give me a call. I'll put you in my mentorship. I have free training going for people. I'll put you there. And will see you succeed on this path.